Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today we are going to unbox this cable data set. So let's not waste time on that and let's start doing that. Hi all, so now we are going to unbox this. That's a data cable set. It's a 60-watt data cable set with USB-C. That's normal micro USB to USB-C, USB to IPH, Type C to Type C, Type C to IPH, that's nothing but iPhone lightning port, and Type C to micro. So we are going to unbox this and we are going to see what are the features. What it says is it has various cables in it, and this can also be used as a mobile stand also. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so this is the package which has come out from this. So if you see, here's where the opening is. So we do have a Type C to lightning port in over here. People do buy iPhone 15 just for the Type C port, but we do have the adapter over here. And the whole set comes for around 300 bucks, so it's kind of cheap to get everything for that price. All the adapters, and the build quality is also not bad if you see. And here you do have a Type C to Type C cable. You have a micro to Type C. Here you can put some nano sims, some normal sim cards or TF cards. And you have a Type C to Type A also. And you have a pin. And apart from this, if you see over here, you do have a stand which can be utilized as a mobile stand to just rest your mobile on. So it's as simple as that. And it's a very compact pack, so it is useful for everyone. They can just carry it in their pocket for travel or anything. Let it be in a daily office use also. This is one of the best things you can carry around for your charging needs and for storage also. With a memory card, instead of keeping a memory card in your phone case, you can always keep it in this as an extra one. And it'll be safe also from the dust and all the elements. And it's such a compact thing, like ladies carry it. So this one we can carry every time and everybody can use it. It'll come in a handbag, in a pocket, anywhere they want to take it. And if you did like the video so far, please do like and subscribe for the channel. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.